Good morning, everyone. So today I've come with a review of a pressure cooker, that is Hawkins pressure cooker. And if you see that pressure cooker, this is generally different than the traditional Hawkins pressure cooker, as because this is the Hawkins Ventura model, and that model was withdrawn by Hawkins in 2016 July. I don't know why Hawkins has withdrawn this model from market, but I think I have many Hawkins model pressure cooker in my house, but I think this is the best model of Hawkins pressure cooker, Hawkins Ventura. I have two of Hawkins Ventura pressure cooker. One is 5 liter and another is 3.5 liter. So this is 3.5 liter, and which I use very daily. And 5 liter cooker is for vegetarian purpose. It is not been used for many days. When needed, then we can use it. But it is in use for vegetarian purpose. We use it for dal, rice, mutton, chicken, biryani, everything. So today I am going to discuss something, and here you can see that the look is very different. This is 3.5 liters. Here you can see that Hawkins is written, Ventura model 3.5 liter, and it is UL approved, that is Underwriters Laboratories, that is USA approval, just like ISI in India. So and it's very heavy, and I have bought this pressure cooker, especially this pressure cooker, in 2015 February. So it is almost 6 years which I am using, and after 6 years I am reviewing this pressure cooker. So first of all, I can say that this is a very good pressure cooker and price worthy pressure cooker, I would like to say. And the base is very strong. Till now of everyday use, it has not been bulged. Here you can see that it has not been bulged, and base is hard anodized base. And we use a normal scrubber for washing, and you have seen that the base is so strong that hard anodized part has not been gone. It is intact. The pressure cooker total is intact. I have changed the safety valve thrice, as because you know that in my previous video that for routine changing, safety valve is needed to be changed in every 1 year. So I have changed the safety valve only. The gasket is totally intact and it is working as new. And the special thing is that this is the air ventile. This is only found in Hawkins Ventura, but nowadays Hawkins Ventura is not in market. So this is a fantastic thing for this model. And the handle is like Hawkins Futura model handle, and it is very strong. And weight valve is like that another other Hawkins pressure cooker, but it is black in color. And we have used it very carefully, that till now the black color is there. So this is also very good. And the pressure cooker cooks very quickly, very quickly. The pressure cooker cooks really very quickly. We are happy with that, and this is really price worthy, as I think. And if the cooker is in market till now, you can I would suggest that you should buy Hawkins Ventura. But no way, the cooker is not in market. So I have bought it in 2015, and in 2016 they Hawkins withdrawn this model. I don't know why this, but for me it is a very price worthy pressure cooker and better than other models of Hawkins. So with that, I want to close this review. So actually all pressure cookers of Hawkins are very good and very safe, as because this is a very renowned company and very trusty company. So you can go for Hawkins. Maybe I am reviewing for this pressure cooker, this model, but you can go for the. And another good thing is that this is very shallow. This is not a deep height with a very high pressure cooker. It's a shallow pressure cooker, so you can make a shallow fry before cooking, light shallow fry before cooking in this pressure cooker, as because of this shape and this size. This is shallow, so you can use it. This is very good. And with this I am closing this review. Thank you.